Use crystals for various benefits. Crystals have been used for centuries in various cultures for their perceived healing properties and energetic benefits. Many people find them helpful for promoting well-being, mindfulness, and a sense of calm. The belief is that each crystal possesses unique vibrations and properties that can resonate with different aspects of our being: physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual. Here's a detailed breakdown of commonly used crystals and their associated remedies, categorized for clarity. A. Crystals for emotional healing and balance. These crystals are often used to address feelings, thoughts, and emotional states, promoting inner peace, self-love, and release of negative emotions. Rose quartz. Pale pink color crystal. Purpose: known as the stone of unconditional love, it's primarily used for all matters of the heart. Remedies: benefits. Self-love promotes self-acceptance, learning to love yourself, self-worth, and compassion for oneself. Relationships: attracts and strengthens all forms of love, romantic, platonic, family. Emotional wounds: helps balance emotion and brings comfort, helps to heal heartache, grief, and past emotional trauma, emotional wounds. Calming: soothes stress, anxiety, and provides a gentle, comforting energy. Rose quartz: great source of protection also. How to use: place it over your heart chakra, keep it in your living space, or wear it as jewelry, bracelet, etc. Amethyst. Color: violet color. Purpose: a highly spiritual and protective crystal, often called the master healer or stone of peace. Remedies: benefits. Stress and anxiety: calms the mind, reduces stress, and soothes irritability. Helps with money issues, legal problems. Sleep issues: promotes restful sleep and helps with insomnia by quieting an overactive mind. Emotional balance: helps bring inner strength in life. Helps to balance mood swings, emotional stability, dispel anger, rage, fear, and anxiety. Addiction: believed to assist in overcoming addictions and compulsive behaviors. Grief: alleviates sadness and grief, especially after personal loss or trauma. How to use: keep it near your bed, hold it during meditation, or wear it as bracelet, etc. Smoky quartz. Color: smoky. Purpose: a grounding and protective stone that helps to absorb and neutralize negative energies. Remedies: benefits. Grounding provides stability and helps you feel more rooted, especially during times of stress or overwhelm. Emotional detox releases negative emotions, fear, anger, and resentment. Stress relief: eliminate worries, stress, hypertension, eases emotional pain and helps with letting go of what no longer serves, enhanced power, stamina, confidence, and self-esteem. Clarity promotes clarity of thought and helps in finding inner peace amidst, helps manage finance and money effectively. How to use: meditate with it, carry it in your pocket for protection, or place it in areas where you feel negative energy. Lepidolite. Purpose: known for its high lithium content, which contributes to its calming and balancing properties. Remedies: benefits. Anxiety and stress: excellent for reducing anxiety, panic attacks, and emotional overwhelm. Mood swings: helps to stabilize emotions and promote serenity. Transition: supports individuals going through significant life changes. Sleep: can aid in more peaceful sleep. How to use: place under your pillow, hold when feeling stressed, or keep in your personal space. Moonstone. Color: white, partially blue. Purpose: a stone of new beginnings, inner growth, and intuition, strongly connected to the cycles of the moon and feminine energy. Remedies, benefits. Emotional stability, soothes emotional instability and stress, providing calmness. Hormonal balance, believed to support hormonal balance, particularly beneficial for women during menstrual cycles, pregnancy, and menopause. Anxiety and depression. Calms the soul. Helps to alleviate feelings of anxiety and depression. Intuition enhances intuition and promotes lucid dreaming, awakens spiritual potential. How to use, wear it as jewelry, especially near the heart, or keep it in your personal space. B. Crystals for physical ailments and well-being. These crystals are often associated with supporting the body's natural healing processes and promoting overall vitality. Bloodstone. Color reddish. Purpose, a powerful healing stone, often associated with the circulatory system. Remedies, benefits. Circulation, believed to improve circulation and support blood-related issues. Detoxification, aids in purifying the blood and detoxifying the body. Energy and vitality, increases energy levels and vitality. Immune system, supports the immune system. How to use, wear it, place it on affected areas, or keep it near you. Jasper, various types, example, red jasper, Muket jasper. Purpose, a nurturing stone that provides support during times of stress and brings tranquility and wholeness. Remedies, general jasper. Grounding, provides a strong grounding energy. Support, offers support during prolonged illness or hospitalization. Strength, imparts determination and courage. Muket jasper specific, boosts the immune system, helps counter the effects of aging, and is believed to be restorative for internal organs, kidneys, bladder, and can help with high blood sugar. How to use, carry it, wear it, or place it in your environment. Carnelian. Purpose, a vibrant stone associated with vitality, motivation, and creativity. Remedies, benefits. Energy boost, increases physical energy and stamina. Metabolism, enhances digestion and metabolism. C. Crystals for spiritual growth and protection. These crystals are believed to aid in connecting with higher consciousness, enhancing intuition and protecting one's energy field. Lapis lazuli. Purpose, a stone of wisdom, truth, and spiritual illumination, strongly associated with the third eye and throat chakras. Remedies, benefits. Intuition and psychic abilities, enhances intuition, inner vision, and psychic abilities. Communication, improves clear communication and self-expression. Spiritual enlightenment, stimulates higher faculties of the mind and promotes spiritual enlightenment. Stress relief, relieves stress and brings a deep sense of peace. Migraines, can help reduce headaches and migraines. How to use, wear as jewelry, especially necklaces, place on the third eye during meditation, or keep it in your workspace. Black tourmaline. Purpose, one of the most protective and grounding stones. Remedies, benefits. Protection, shields against negative energies, psychic attacks and electromagnetic frequencies, EMFs. Grounding, provides strong grounding, bringing the body's energy into balance. Purification, purifies the aura and clears energy blockages. Stress reduction, reduces stress and anxiety by deflecting undesirable influences. How to use, place near electronic devices, at entryways, doors, windows, or carry it for personal protection. Selenite. Purpose, a high vibration crystal known for its purifying and cleansing qualities. Remedies, benefits. Energy cleansing, clears negative energy from auras, chakras, and spaces. Mental clarity, promotes peace and mental clarity. Charging can be used to cleanse and charge other crystals. Higher consciousness facilitates connection to higher realms and spiritual guidance. How to use: place it in your home to invite positive energy, use it in meditation, or place other crystals on it for cleansing. Important considerations. Personal connection. The most effective crystal for you is often one you feel drawn to. Trust your intuition when choosing. Take expert guidance. Cleansing and charging. Crystals are believed to absorb energy. Regularly cleansing them, pour crystals for maximum 15 in salt water, then wash well in running water and recharging. Then, in full moonlight, is recommended to maintain their effectiveness. Intention. Setting a clear intention for what you want the crystal to help you with can enhance its perceived benefits. Complementary practice. Crystal healing is often viewed as a complementary practice to traditional medicine and should not replace professional medical advice or treatment. While the remedies described above are based on common beliefs and practices. For more important useful information from other videos, like, share, subscribe this channel.